In this Davinci Resolve tutorial, I will show you how to automatically track a moving face. I've assumed you have some knowledge of editing in Resolve. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, this is a simple clip here. I won't play it all. Of a chap moving down the street at Castle Combe. So starting from the beginning, what you'll need to do is select colour right down the bottom here. And then select window. It's like a small circle here. Now I'm going to select the circle. And then if you place your pointer over the middle of the circle, just drag the circle over the face you want to obscure. Now you can change the size. Don't bother with these here. Just place your pointer over one of the corners, hold down your left mouse button and drag the circle to reduce it in size. Then roll your middle mouse to zoom in, then hold down your middle mouse button and drag your view to adjust the amount you want to sort of blur it by. The white circle is the sort of size, the area you'll be blurring, so I'm going to go with that. I'll come up here and use this best fit now to place this here. Okay, and the next thing you do is come to the button that says tracker. Now for a basic scan, I would deselect the 3D. It causes problems. This is more for sort of doing kind of rotoscoping. So just deselect the 3D, and then you can do this backwards as well, but because we're starting at the beginning, select track forward. I'm going to go back to the beginning just to make sure it's tracking okay. In fact, we'll drag this through, and as you can see, I think that's holding on pretty good here. So that's looking pretty good. Now the next thing you need to do is select the blur button. So select the blur button, and you can slide these sliders here on the radius size, but what I would do is just place my pointer over one of the 0.5s, hold down my left mouse button and just drag it so that I get a kind of gain. You can roll your middle mouse and use your middle mouse to pan your video around if you want, just to make sure you're happy. And that's looking pretty good, and I'll just go back to cut so we can get a better view of this video. I think that's not bad for a quick sort of blur of someone's face. You can, if incidentally, once you get used to using Resolve, if for instance he was to go past this chap or behind this chap, you might find that you'd have to split the clip at certain points and then do the track on the other section of the clip. You can move the track, but it's not really worth it. You might as well just cut your clip up into sections, which also means that you won't have a blur. Say if this chap here was walking behind this one, you won't have a blur going across this guy's face necessarily, or if it was something here, say, rather than having a blur go across where you can't see him and then he appears this side, you're probably better off cutting your clip at these at the point where he starts to disappear here. But anyway, I digress. That's basically how you track a face and blur it in Davinci Resolve. I'll go ahead and render this now. What you saw at the beginning is this track and blur here, so I won't go into rendering. Like I said at the beginning, I assume you have some knowledge of working in Resolve. Hopefully that's helped someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.